I just took a break of 2 minutes and now I'm starting the poem again. The poem says, I'm going to read the lines now. Two roads diverged in our yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. In the first stanza, first line, two roads diverged. Diverged means separated. There are two separate roads which are in front of poet, and he wants to walk on it, but he has to make a choice whether to go on the this way or that way. And it's a way yellow wood. Yellow wood means deep forest. Yellow wood means yellow leaves, trees. Maybe it's the season of autumn. The leaves are yellow and they're falling down. And the next line is, and sorry I could not travel both. Side by side, he's saying that I could not travel on both the paths, on both the roads, and be one traveler. I will be a traveler who will be choosing one path and look down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. He said that this path, the first path, is already been taken by the people. People go and walk on it. And I know that this path has a forest which is attached to undergrowth, the bushes, the trees, the life, where people go and visit. In the second stanza, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. Now he said that when I look at the second path, it looks more claiming to me, more appealing to me that the people have not experimented on it. So why not I try it? Because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. The last three lines denotes that they have a grassy land in which he used to walk, in which he wanted to walk. He said that I wanted to walk on a grassy land which is not trodden or taken by another people and not experimented. So he decided to choose a second path. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. He said, when I walked on that path, I realized that I was the first, I felt that I was the first person who has crossed that road. I was leaving my footprints over there. That enjoyment, that whatever I got from that, it could not be much better than that. So he said that the first road is taken by the people. So what path you choose, if it gives you the enjoyment, the full satisfaction, the calmness of the soul from inside, that means you have chosen a right path in your life. But if you're choosing the wrong path, it will not satisfy you anywhere. It will not make you reach anywhere. So the poet Robert Frost, according to this poem, is giving us a short notice, a very beautiful moral of life, that whatever decision to make your life, whatever decision, it makes your life or it breaks your life. So before choosing or deceive or be decisive about anything, you have to think twice, or maybe more than that, whether my decision is okay, whether my decision will be good for me in future, whether I'll be happy or not, whether I'll be contented to my soul or not. So, satisfaction is a small word, contentment is the biggest word, which is connected to the soul of the life. Thank you so much.